Now we're going to change the meaning of words by adding a short word part at the beginning of a word. These word parts are called prefixes, and they change the meaning of a word. Watch this. Here's the word happy. Now, what if I put un at the beginning of the word? Now it's unhappy. What does unhappy mean?
It means you are not happy.
Exactly. Un changes the meaning of a word to the opposite, like from happy to not happy. What happens if you add un to friendly?
You get unfriendly, which means not friendly. It's the opposite.
You are unbelievable. Now here's another, pre. See if you can figure out how the prefix pre changes a word's meaning. If I put pre at the beginning of the word made, I get what?
Pre-made.
Yeah, so if I go to the deli and the sandwiches are pre-made, they are made ahead of time. They're made before I get there. How about view? Can you add the prefix pre?
That's preview, like a preview of a movie. I get to watch some of it before I see the whole thing. I get a preview.
You got it. You got prefixes. Did you know that there are word parts that can be added to the end of words too that change the meaning?
I sure do. They're called suffixes.
Yes, let's try one. Can you add to the end of the word play? What do you get?
Play turns into playa.
Yep, you like to play baseball and you are a great baseball player.
And I like to read. I am a great reader.